I hit this issue today, and here is the quick fix that solved it. If you're looking to send money through HSBC, follow these straightforward steps. Step 1. Log into your HSBC account. Open the HSBC app or website and enter your login credentials to access your account. Step 2. Navigate to the Payments section. Once logged in, find and click on the Payments tab in the main menu. This is where you can manage all your transactions. Step 3. Select Send Money. In the Payments section, choose the Send Money option. This will take you to the page where you can enter the details for your transfer. Step 4. Enter recipient details. Fill in the recipient's information, including their name, account number, and any other required details. Double check for accuracy to avoid issues. Step 5. Confirm and send. Before filing a refund or dispute, use the eshrock.com link in the description to open the refund dispute deadline calculator and confirm your deadline. Remember, if you're sending money internationally, be aware of any fees that may apply. Happy transferring!